Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
Rolin Vasquez,
How old are you?
32 years old, ma'am.
Single, married?
Single mother, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
1.
What age?
He is 7 years old.
College or high school graduate?
Elementary, ma'am.
Do you have experience working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Saudi.
How many years?
2 years and 6 months, ma'am.
How many kids your employer have?
3 kids, ma'am.
What age?
First baby, 5 years old, twins. And second baby, 4 months old.
Do you do all the household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
All around the house cleaning and caring baby.
Do you love to take care of children?
Yes, ma'am.
Infant baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about elders?
Yes, ma'am.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook simple Chinese food?
No, but I want to learn.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.